Listen for bowel sounds by placing the diaphragm of the stethoscope gently on the right lower quadrant. Listen to their pitch, quality, and frequency. If the patient has hypertension, listen for bruits over the right renal artery, aorta, and left renal artery. If present, a bruit would sound like this. In a patient with hypertension, a bruit raises suspicion of renal artery stenosis, but most bruits have other causes. If you suspect arterial insufficiency in the legs, listen for bruits over the aorta, right iliac artery, and left iliac artery. Then identify and listen over the right femoral artery and left femoral artery.